Majority of today's infectious diseases are zoonotic in nature, which came from different plants and animals. Based on studies, more than 75% of human pathogens are zoonotic in nature, like SARS, avian flu, and COVID-19, and salmonellosis. Globally, the outbreak distributions of these diseases are more frequent in Asia, Africa, and United States. And these countries also have little to no improvement in their health security system to rapidly and accurately detect infected persons for early sustainment of possible outbreaks and preventing epidemic and pandemic to occur. But did you know that if you are infected with zoonotic disease, there would be ocular manifestations that can be seen, like uveitis, conjunctivitis, and glaucoma. And in this study, I utilized these ocular manifestations to train and develop a system that can detect persons if they are infected with zoonotic disease through eye images. Good day, everyone. I am Justin Ipakaira from Naga City Science High School. Now, how did I do it? First, I collect a total of 1,183 eye images of persons with zoonotic disease in Naga City. Then I use Python as the main framework to use it to train machine learning models, and MySQL as the main database of the system. Specifically, IRIN works with the camera as its base. It captures the eye images of persons using the HAR cascade-based eye detection model, and the detected eye regions were then used as input in the zoonotic disease classification model. This classifies if the detected person is infected with zoonotic disease or not. IRIN achieved an overall accuracy rate of 97.48% and detection time of only 0.34 to 0.47 seconds and power consumption of only 17.32 to 21.59%. This study addresses the UN Development Goal number 3 and good health and well-being and is inclined with the International Health Regulation Core Capacities number 3 and 10. This shows that IRIN is highly effective in detecting zoonotic diseases through only ocular manifestations. Through this, IRIN hopes to help strengthen global health security system, providing a fast, accessible, and reliable solution for early zoonotic disease detection. That's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.